In this video, I want to talk to you guys about 9 reasons that every single professional should have a side business or some sort of side hustle going on. So let's jump straight into the video and get straight into it. Number 1, your job can be taken. Your business can't. Simple as that. Number 1 is super simple. Your job can be taken. You can be fired tomorrow. You can get fired today. If you show up late to work, if you don't do your job correctly, if you wear the wrong clothing, you can get fired. Your business can't be taken from you, right? No matter how loyal you are, your position exists at someone else's decision. Layoffs, restructures, or simple just AI can literally take your job and change your life overnight, right? Starting a side business gives you a safety net and an income stream you control. Security doesn't come from from employment. It comes from ownership, right? You can do this with literally any job that you have. You can start a side business, right? Number 2, you'll stop trading time for money. At your job, you only earn while you work, but a business lets you earn while you sleep, while you rest, and while you take care of your family. The goal isn't to quit your job tomorrow, it's to create something that earns beyond your hours. And most importantly, while you're on the job, use your job to have stability, to have another income coming in, to be able to fund your business. Don't go get fired and then try to start a business. No, the best time to start a business is while you're working, so you can literally fund it and feed yourself and your family, right? Number 3, you'll turn skills into assets. You already have skills your employer pays for. That's what you literally make money for. Marketing, management, communication, problem solving, leadership, management, recruiting, etc., etc., etc. Your business allows you to package those same skills and sell them for your benefit and not just your company's. You're already doing the thing that you could literally go start a business with. You're already doing it. You don't need to go and start selling pillows or tires or anything. You don't need you don't need to go sell laundry mats, right? You need to take your skill set and use that to start your own business. I'm not saying you start another company like the company you work at. This can be simple consulting. This can be coaching. You can teach other people how to be better general managers or how to be better accountants or et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. There's people all over the world that want to improve what they're doing. So why not show them how to do what you literally get paid to do, right? Number 4, it forces you to think like an owner, not an employee. Employees think in tasks. Owners think in outcomes. Running a business changes your mindset from how do I get paid to how do I create value. And that shift transforms every area of your life. You got to stop thinking in, if I do this, then I'll get this. No. You just got to get the thing, right? This isn't a trick for treat. You got to think like a business owner. You got to think in terms of results. What do you actually want? And do whatever it takes to get that thing, right? As a recruiter, I've been recruiting my whole entire life. One thing I run into all the time is recruiters that they make their 30 calls a day, or their 80 calls a day, or 90 calls a day, however many calls a day they have to do, yet they don't hire anybody. And so they're like, oh, I did my job. All I have to do is do 90 calls. No. The goal is to hire people. The goal is outcome focused, not task focused, right? Number 5, you create financial leverage. A side business lets you multiply your income without doubling your workload. Example, once you build a product, service, or system that scales, every new customer increases your income without extra hours. That's how you escape the paycheck ceiling. Number 6, you build confidence and influence. Launching something of your own teaches courage, persuasion, leadership, branding, etc. Skills most professionals never develop in corporate settings. Now, will you get some of this stuff in a corporate setting? Absolutely, but you'll never truly be those things until you own those things, because it's not technically your job and you don't have the responsibility on you if this fails, right? Where with your own business, you will teach courage, you will teach persuasion, you will be a leader, and you will have to build a brand because it is yours. And if it fails, it's on you. And so you have to teach people how to do these different things. And in turn, you also will learn it yourself. Those same skills make you more valuable everywhere else too, even at your day job. So if you learn these things on the side, building a side hustle, you'll only become more valuable at your job, at work, doing what you do on a daily basis, right? Number 7, you discover what you're truly capable of. A job rarely demands your full creativity or potential. A side business does. It's gonna require you to be organized, to get focused, to be a leader, to manage, to develop responsibility that you never had before, which are all good things. Because even if your side business didn't work, what happens is that you can take those skills that you are learning from your side business and go get a raise at your job or at another job, right? It's not necessarily that the goal is get rid of your job or 9 to 5s are bad. It's just that on average, most people only hold a job for 1 to 3 years, right? So, okay, in that time frame of 1 to 3 years, what are you doing other than just sitting here and place holding, right? So you know you're going to be gone in 1 to 3 years. So why not in that 1 to 3 years start building something? So that way, when you do leave in 1 to 3 years, you have something to go to in the meantime of finding something else. Or you built this thing and you don't even have to go anywhere else, right? You can just have this other income, and if you lose your job or you leave that job, you have a business that you've built over the last 1 to 3 years that you can put all your time into because you've created another income, right? I think that was number 7. You'll uncover ideas, talents, and levels of discipline you never knew you had. And that personal growth alone is worth it, right? Number 8, you can build generational wealth, not just personal comfort. 1000%. A paycheck can support you, but a business supports your family tree. Businesses can be sold, they can be scaled or passed down. Every customer, every sale, every system you build is a seed of legacy. And not only that, it can literally build generational wealth. You're trying to save 10% of your income. Okay, let's say if you make $70,000 a year, you're saving $7,000 a year, right? You can go create a business right now and make $7,000 a month. Which one's better? Which one's faster? You're talking about saving your way to wealth. You can't save your way to wealth. Just go take that extra 3 to 4 hours a day and start building something that pays you, right? And last but not least, number 9, you'll have the freedom to choose, not beg. When your business income grows, you gain options. You can leave your toxic boss, toxic work environment, take a break, or work on what actually fulfills you. And freedom isn't necessarily quitting your job. It's not needing to depend on your job. It's not needing to depend on your job. And so that right there, those 9 things, literally, if you don't have a side business right now, and if those 9 things right there don't help you, I don't know what to tell you. I genuinely don't know what to tell you. There's not many things outside of those 9 things right there that an entrepreneur needs to hear to start their own thing. And so if that didn't sell you, I'm not going to sell you, right? Starting a side business isn't about quitting your job. It's about protecting your future. It's the smartest way to turn your professional skills into financial independence, creative fulfillment, and generational wealth. If you're somebody that, if you're somebody that is a professional and you have no clue how to do what I just told you, comment the word skill below and I will literally reach out to you and help you do it. Because we're at a place right now where people are getting let off of work, people are getting fired, stuff is happening in the world right now where people need to go build other assets, other sources of income, and get away from what we've been taught our whole lives, right? And so if that's you, let me know. Go follow me on LinkedIn. Just reach out, because why not, right? Hit that like button, comment below. Skill, if there's something that you genuinely, if you're an entrepreneur and you're like, dude, I've been at this job for years and I've developed skills that I know I could turn into another business, or you're somebody that's like, man, I do have skills, but I don't know how to turn into another business, or I don't even know if I want to, just reach out, let's talk. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.